Hey there people, how's it going? Today what we're going to be talking about is the Dixie Clear Squat Peat Plastic Cup, the 9-ounce one. Yeah, now what I use these for usually are either children's parties or any kind of social get-togethers where I don't want to actually use my really good, cups or glasses. These can be broken. These can be thrown around or anything. They're a nice, sturdy plastic that, can withstand the damage of a child or a guest that might get a little tipsy. Yeah. Yeah, these are great for like little parties and stuff you might have in, say, your backyard or even in your house with children's parties, because they do very well with soda or fruit punch or anything like that. These are also very good for, social drinks. They hold ice very well. And they're just all around a good kind of nice cup to have and to hold in your hand. They're clear, kind of a glass clear. There's no tint on them or anything. Although I've seen these kind of cups that have a slight tint to them. I prefer the completely clear ones. These are also very good for desserts, like if you want to some kind of pudding, even ice cream. These are really, really good. I use these a lot for my children's parties and things like that because, it's just, they're not like the regular cups that kind of go straight up from the bottom and like shoot up about this high or something. I like them because they have this angle that widens very wide at the top, versus just long and tall, long and narrow, I should say. And the fact that it goes wide here makes it so, you could put more types of different things in there, especially like desserts, like ice cream, pudding, those kind of things, and especially Jell-O. I use these a lot for my Jell-O treats that I give to my kids, and if I want to do stuff for their little parties. These go very well with treats for, say, Halloween, and you want to put like jelly beans or any kind of candy in here and just pass it around or whatever, these are good for those too. These are also probably not typically used for this, but I sometimes take these to the beach and they make great sandcastles. Yeah, because it has a nice shape to it. So, yeah. Anyway, you're probably going to have these with you when you're on the beach and you're saying you're having a picnic or something. When you're done drinking out of it, you can use it for castles. That's what I would do. Yeah. I've been using these kind of the Dixie brand cups for a pretty good while now. Like I said, it's a hardy plastic. I've used them for probably like around maybe 2 years. Before, I was using paper, like the paper cups. I found that the plastic is more sturdy, especially this one. It's very sturdy. It gives you can flex it, so when you want to hold it tight, it's not going to crack or bend or anything like that. Yeah, I just really like the way it feels in the hand, and it's very sturdy and it stands with no problem. This is the 9-ounce one, and you can use this doing just about anything. I'm telling you, it has a lot of different uses. I usually keep a lot at home just in case, you know. Like I said, these are really good for children. Children use these all day. I mean, and they're disposable. It saves you from having to wash, you know, glasses or even plastic cups out. You know, you just put your stuff in here and you're ready to go. You toss it, you know, after you're done with it. And it's a really good cup, and I like it a lot. I will continue to use it, and I really recommend it. Okay, well, that is the Dixie Clear Squat Peat Plastic Cup, the 9-ounce one. Okay, all right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye bye.